AKAM stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1-minute video, I'm telling you whether it's a buy or not for me, so watch this short video till the end. Akamai Technologies, 21% down on Friday is a big stretch. I have done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, so I've kind of seen what's working for me and what's not. So specifically looking at AKAM, it's an already, you know, even in the previous video when I mentioned this, the likelihood that the price is going to keep melting down is crazy, and it's through the roof. That's the reason why I have it pointing like this. And it's obviously not forever, but for right now, 100%. Like, there is no doubt in my hand that if the rules are met, I'm taking a short, right? There's no doubt, because I'll just repeat successful actions. Now, obviously, this is very subjective. It's not financial advice. It's all demo and simulated. But for me, the rules to be met, I must be waiting for them, right? If they're not met, then obviously I'm not going to act. So I'll keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye.